Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to change language in Trust Wallet. It's easy to get this done. If you find that your Trust Wallet isn't on the same language you use or on the native language you prefer, open up your Trust Wallet, make sure you set it up properly, and your next step would be to click on the gear icon at the top left. So once you've selected the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen, scroll till you find the preferences menu, which is highlighted here. Click on the preferences, and where we have app language, click on the app language, and as you can see, it's set to your system default. But let's say it's set to a language you do not understand. All you need to do is head back to the language option, that's app languages, and select the language that is more preferable, like the United States English, the UK English, Skavasneskia, and so many other languages. There are so many languages to choose from, so I'll be going with the language that I prefer. And once you've entered the language you prefer, you notice that it's shown all across your app. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.